Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to this latest tutorial. Myself, Ben, here at Boring Crypto. This is a fun tutorial and it's a really cool tool from the development team over at Sometimes Alone. Great project. They've got some great bots and some great tools. So if you're not already over there, go over and have a look. The token is actually called Alone and it's on the Ethereum network. Go and find your way to their community and you can trial various different cool bots that make scanning contracts, looking at different tokens, wallets, and indeed personalities within Telegram threads a whole lot easier. So heartily recommended. Right, this tutorial is going to be centered on one of their tools that is available for public groups, and that is called the VoteKicker. Now, who has experienced overzealous admins and moderators on their crypto journey that wield the ban hammer for fun? I know I have, but I've also been those moderators and admins in my early crypto journey, actually wielding the ban hammer. You wake up on the wrong side of the bed or you've had a bad day and someone says something and it's ban hammer out, off they go. Now, the team at Sometimes Alone have built this tool to democratize with fun the aspect of banning members for saying something you don't quite like, right? So that's what this is all about. It democratizes it, allows us to vote whether the character should be removed from the thread or not. So let's get on with the tutorial and have a smile along the way. The first thing that we need to do is we need to just come up and we need to invite. So we're going to add the VoteKicker, which is really easy. Just type in the VoteKicker, you'll find the VoteKicker. Add the VoteKicker to your group. When the VoteKicker has been added, we need to go to Edit. We need to go to Administrators, Add Admin, click onto the VoteKicker and turn off all features besides ban. We just need it to have the ability to ban people or characters. Done. Come back. We now have our VoteKicker in our group, and it has the ability to ban users. Before I get into setting up the comment and all of the different, the way that it can actually be utilized, I want to go into the settings side. Now, you don't have to worry about these commands because I'll put them in the show notes underneath this video so that you can find the commands there and you can set this up yourself. But it is really, really simple. First one of these we're going to do, they're all /votekick, by the way, so it's nice and simple. We can just put /votekicker, then underscore, and the first one is toggle. And what this will do is we have now enabled vote kicking within our community. So you can just toggle that on, toggle it off. You can see that it's actually added. The next one of these is vote kick time. So once again, we just need to do a / and then an underscore and time. This is in seconds, and we're going to put 45 seconds. So you want to put space 45 or space 60. It's going to give you seconds for the community to vote whether they're going to kick this person out or not. And if we just hit return, there you go. Vote time set to 45 seconds. Next up, we have the votes that are going to be required. So once again, just to go through the motions, we've got vote kick, and then we've got underscore, and we have votes, and I'm saying 5. So we need 5 people to vote whether this jackass is going to be booted out of our thread. Let's go. Hitting enter, votes needed, set to 5. And finally, the amount of time in seconds they're going to be banned for. Remember, this is a bit of fun. Right, this isn't you being that overzealous admin, keep doing this to people. This is a little bit of fun that your community can use to maybe vote kick their friends, for a few seconds, and it gets a little bit of engagement going, right? So let's once again do that. Vote kick underscore, this time it's ban, and then underscore again, and it's time. And we're going to go here 120. So it's 2 minutes, right? 120 seconds. We're set up. That's everything set. We've toggled it on. We've got our vote time for the community. We've got the votes needed and the ban time. Everything is ready to go. Next up, we need some jackass to comment something into the thread. So let's organize that. Here we go. We've got Donald Pump who's saying, yo, jackass, when this baby gonna send to the moon? Of course it's innocuous, right, this is a nothing, comment, isn't it? We would just ignore this, but I'm just using it as a bit of fun, and it's non-offensive in case kids are watching. So we've got that comment in there. Now, what I want to do is I want to reply. You have to reply to them. And what you will do is you will reply, which I'm coming here, and then I'm going to go / VoteKick space, and I can type a message to this person. I'm going to put in, what should I put in? Hey dude. Hey dude, I am not a jackass. So there. Sounds very childish, doesn't it? But there we go. Right, so there. So I'm going to, and then hit enter. And you can see now the VoteKicker is active, right? And it started by, if we have a look at this, it started by myself, Bullring Crypto. I'm vote kicking for Donald Pump. The reason, hey dude, I'm not a jackass. So there, or you could say spamming, or you could say cursing, swearing, whatever. The vote time is clicking on down. We've got votes to kick. Well, it was just me because I've started the vote kick. Votes to not kick. So the community can vote for and against. Has to be 5 votes to kick, right? And when there's 5 votes to kick, that person will be kicked out for that 120 seconds, as we know. Here, the buttons are kick, don't kick, or halt this, and that can be done by an admin. And there you go, guys. That is it. As simple as it is, but it's really, really cool. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope that you implement this bot into your communities, and I look forward to sharing you other tools from really exciting bot projects in the future. Take care and have a great day.